Hello everyone, this side Bhanupriya Singh from Revivo Technologies. Today I'll be presenting before you our software HotelX and the unique feature that it contains. Basically, we have the bookings, that is the PMS part, we have POS, then it's the channel manager, clients, that is the CRM part, housekeeping, reports, and the accounting part. And the page that you are seeing is the dashboard one. Okay, so in the dashboard page, you will be able to see your hotel name here. And suppose in case you have onboarded more than one hotel with our software, then you can click on this arrow and all those hotel names will be visible here, and you can just click on that particular hotel and view the details over here. Also, you can do complete night audit from here. And in the dashboard, what else you will be able to see is the number of upcoming, ongoing, completed, new bookings, cancelled, and no show. Like what is going live in your hotel. And then the occupancy stats, a graphical representation of the number of rooms occupied, and the percentage as well of occupied, available, and rooms under maintenance. Then total sales that has been generated and done, like through different sources, be it your room bills or through your restaurant or through your banquet. Then below that will be the payment section. In the payment section, total payments generated and through different sources, be it UPI card, cash, bank, BTC, etc. And due till date will also be mentioned on the same page. Also on the top right corner, you will be able to see total number of bookings that you have received from different sources, be it your walking or any other OTA platforms like GoIbibo, Agoda, MMT, Booking.com, etc. Then coming below that is the guest retention rate and the customer feedback. In the customer feedback, our software will calculate and generate what to say average rating that you'll be getting on different platforms, and it will show it here. Okay, this was all about the dashboard page. Let's further move on the bookings part. So our bookings part page is gives you two kinds of view: a list view along with the calendar view. In the calendar view, you can view different what is the occupancy going on, and percent of occupancy in different categories of rooms, and number of like basic rooms. And also you will be able to see through from which date to till which date guest is staying, which guest is staying in which room. Okay, coming back on the bookings page, that is the list view page. On the same page, you will be able to see below the booking ID the source through which that particular guest has reached your hotel. And the upcoming, ongoing, completed bookings. Upcoming are the ones that are bookings that have been created but have not been checked in. Once they have checked in, they will move in the ongoing part, and once they have checked out, they will move in the completed section. And in case they have been generated for only upcoming inquiries, so that will show in this list. And in case the guest hasn't arrived at your hotel on the mentioned date or has requested to cancel the booking, then that will go in the no show and cancel list. Now let's move ahead on creating a booking. We need to click on this page will appear, and you need to select the date and time from your number of adults and children, meal plan if any, and basic details. Okay, first I'll tell you how what happens if any repetitive guest or old guest has again arrived at your hotel. So suppose you enter a data. As soon as you entered this number, it's showing customer since 24 days, last visited on this date, and total spent this much. Even his basic details that has been entered last have automatically been fetched in. Okay, so you do not need to manually feed the details again and again for your old customers. So let's start with a very fresh data. Suppose Ms. Prabha has requested for one executive room. You can see the current availability in executive category is 8. As soon as you click on 8, add, and the availability has been reduced by 1 to 7. Okay, and now what you can do, you can select the source through which she has arrived, food choice if any, and the total balance, every including tax or excluding tax will be mentioned here. You can select this option if you want the price including tax or excluding tax. Okay, and in case you want express checking, you can direct do the checking from here if you click on this, or else we'll go step by step of first creating a booking and then later on checking. Also, many a times people ask for discounts as well, so you can give them discount as well. You can, like, if you're giving a 5% discount, you can see how much it will be in flat. So it's showing 175. Discounts currently zero. As soon as you click on apply discount, this will get updated to 175. And suppose guest is willing to pay you any advance payment, suppose this much. Save the details, and you can see total deposited money is this much and balance due is this much. Now let's create a booking. And the booking is created. Once the booking is created, this will show in the upcoming list because it hasn't been checked in. And once we go and click on this page will appear. You will see three parts: view bills, GRC and C-form section. C-form section is for your international foreign guests. GRC is the guest registration card. Whenever you create a booking, this will be automatically generated with all of the guest details that you can even submit at your nearest police stations. And when you go and click on view bills, so you can see only a room bill has been generated. You can see view the invoice as well from here, and this is payment receipt of the advance payment done by the guest. Okay, since many a times what happens is the guest requests for late check-ins, or he is or she is not available to do the checking on this date, so she's requesting if there is any availability on any upcoming date. So you can change the date from here, and accordingly the availability will get updated of that particular date, and then you can let her know that yes, there is an availability, or no, there is no any availability. So you will prevent yourself from making any kind of fake promises to your guests, and also this will totally nullify the chance of overbookings being created. And if you're like upgrading or editing, from here you can do that. Okay, and since if the client has come from any third party, from any company, then you can click on add new and add the company details from here. Okay, and suppose the guest has requested for cancel booking, you can do the cancellation from here, and you can do the refund from here. Or if he or she has not arrived at the hotel on that particular date and time, so after a fixed time, this will automatically be marked no show. And now let's proceed with the checking part. As soon as you click on checking, this window will open, and you need to fill the details from where to where the guest is traveling and the purpose of travel. Save details. And now Prabhas entry has moved in the ongoing part. Now again, when you click on this, and this time you have the option of checkout. But before doing checkout, let's do one thing. Let's create a food order from the same room, and let's merge the two bills and create an merged invoice. Okay, so let's go on POS. This will happen from our another very unique feature, that is POS. So here in this list you can see the open order list, and this is for the closed order list. When you go and click on new order, okay, here you can see your restaurant name, and here the tables will be mentioned, and here the room numbers in which the guests are staying. Suppose you have got a food request from room number 109, and you click on this. Okay, you clicked on this, and Mr. Swaraj has requested for butter chicken and rice. Okay, and as soon as you click on a particular room, this name will automatically appear, so you will be getting an idea which guest has given you the order. Select the menu, then you need to click on new KOT, and the order is placed. and QT has been generated and been sent to the kitchen person who is responsible for preparing the food. He'll be able to see which particular food item needs to be prepared in which quantity. Once the food is prepared and delivered, when you click on bill, this bill is generated. You can close the order from here, and now when you go and click on bill attached to room 109, and this will automatically land you from that. Previously we were going and doing from the bookings page. From here this will automatically land you on the view bills part, and now you can see if any further uh, like before restaurant bill, or if the guest is staying for 3 days, whatever bills have been generated, be it of room bill or restaurant bill, everything will be mentioned here. You can download the save from here and print it and share with your guest. Now what you can do the checkout, and whatever will be the remaining amount, this will be shown here, take payment, and you can change the mode from here. Okay. Since if just in case if the guest has arrived from through any third party, then you will click on attach to party, and in the drop down list, that party, you can select that particular party and the bill will be forwarded to that particular guest, that particular organization and company. Yes. Take payment, done. And once the checkout has been done, this has moved in the completed part. Also in the POS, we do have a KDS part, that is the kitchen display system. Suppose if you fit a television screen in your kitchen, then the order that has been placed, that can be seen on the screen, that can be visible on the screen, and that this will make very easy for your kitchen people to prepare the food and deliver to which room or particular table. Which table or in which room the food needs to be delivered, that will be shown here, and what food item in how much quantity needs to be prepared, that too will be shown. So it will be more easier for your kitchen people. Moving ahead on the channel manager part, channel manager, what it does, it updates the rates and availability of all of your room types at once on all of the OTA platforms. But what we bring different for you is the dynamic pricing thing. Okay, you can like update, yes, you can update all of the room types and availability for all rooms, for that too, for different date ranges all throughout the year. Along with that, you can even set rules. Okay, rules, what kind of rules? Like if 20% of your rooms are getting occupied, then the remaining rooms rate get increased by again 20%. Or if 50% of your rooms get occupied, then the remaining rooms rate get increased by again 50% or 70%, or whatever rule you want to set. So accordingly you will be getting an increment of 20 to 30% revenue growth. So this is fixed, and also I'll be sharing a very good feature that our software provides is a two-way syncing feature. What it does, if whatever, like what channel manager does, if you're getting a booking from any OTA platform, the channel manager will be updating the same on all of your OTA platforms. But you need to go and do it manually if the booking is coming from your offline side, walk-in bookings. So in our software, if any walk-in bookings is coming, that too will be updated on the online side, and if any online booking is coming, that will be updated on the offline side. So both way, two-way syncing is possible here. And so in no ways will be you'll be getting any overbooking, right? And then in the client section, we have this feature that whatever bookings are being generated or created, all of the details will be saved, stored here, of when the guest has arrived last, what, how much did he spend, what type of room did he prefer, what type of food did he prefer. And then we are again up coming with a very creative feature that is in our pipeline, that will what through that what you can do is you can send automatic WhatsApp messages to your guests. like 1 week prior to their birthdays or anniversary, with giving them lucrative offers and discounts, so that they can again come and visit your hotel, and even in various cases they can give the references to other people as well. Again, this will result in a revenue growth for your hotel. Okay, then moving on the housekeeping part, what happens here is once a room has been checked out, it will be marked dirty and it will be assigned to a housekeeper. He will go and do the cleaning there and will mark it complete, and then it will move. Like if 101 has been selected, marked complete, that will move in the inspect section. Manager will do the inspection here. If the cleaning is done properly, he'll select it and again mark complete, and then that will move in the clean section, room number 101. Okay, and now it is available for further checkings. But if there is any kind of technical issue, like related to plumber, electrician, TV is not working or AC is not working, then that room can be marked out of order. It can be marked out of order, and that will move in the mark out of order category. Okay, and also we have a very unique feature, like through WhatsApp integration, whenever a guest checks in or checks out, okay, he or she will be getting WhatsApp messages at the time of check-in check-out, and also the hotel management will be receiving the same. And at the time of checkout, along with that checkout message, the guest will be given getting an option of giving a rating to the hotel. So if he is giving a rating more than 3 stars, then that will be shown on all of the platforms. And if he or she is giving you a rating of less than 3 stars, then that will be shown only to the hotel management, so that the hotel management can work on that issue accordingly. Okay, so moving ahead on the report section, you can get to know and generate and export various type of reports from here, be it your sales report, day report, upcoming report, ongoing report, completed, or GRC, or related to your POS, sales, expense, payment, etc. Okay, and the party part is, this is the accounting part that I'm discussing. Like there are various kinds of parties, like vendor, source, customer, staff, bank payment mode, whatever transactions that you will be doing, ledger will be created. Okay, and every kind of report will be generated automatically. Here what you can do, whatever expense you will be creating or whatever expense will be done by your hotel, that will be recorded here. Okay, and also our software is we are again coming with a very unique feature, that our software will be giving you smart suggestions of what vendor, like you can opt for next time based on the rating that you have given to that particular vendor last time. If you have given a vendor very good rating, then our software will suggest that you should again buy this product from this vendor or that vendor, and what amount of food or any other product the hotel needs to get based on the stock available in the hotel. Such kind of AI related smart suggestions will be given through our software. And this is the invoice part. Whatever invoices will be generated, you can view here. Last is the settings part. Here also what you can do is you can create roles and assign users. Like uh, just give me a moment. You can just create the roles, like if you want to give your manager or your front desk executive certain access or control, like in bookings you want to give him control of view, create and update, but not of deletion, that you can give from here. So you can create certain users and give them roles accordingly, so everything can be accessed and controlled by the owner. Okay, so this was the overall thing about our software. Hope you liked it. Do let us know what is the feedback from your end. Thank you so much. Thanks for connecting.